So this is a computer for the Etech system. So if you don't see the program on the screen, you double click in the internet and you will have the program for the Etech. You will see the entire map for the rail. So right here on the right side, you have that window for source side, clean side, setup, tool, and report. So let's say if you go on for the source side area, you can go and check in overview. You will have the whole map for the source side. Clicking there, now you have the view for the source side, entire source side. So right here you got the bullet area. This is the storage. This is for the CBW, and this is for the scaleless. So if you keep clicking there, you can go different area. So if you go to the storage, it will change right away and will show the storage. That's the storage right here. Same thing if you go back again, press tuner, you're gonna move with the tuner for the CBW. So each blue color that you see, that's a sling, one of those bags. So depending on the numbers is the product. The product is recognized by numbers. So same thing if you go in the clean side, you can go and check in the clean side. Setup is the majority time is for supervisors. Tool, so you can refresh the program if there is any problem. Input lift, that's where you're gonna go to put the bag, to send it up on the source side and put the weight and the numbers. Here is when you have some problem with the switch on the rail. When they don't want to switch, you can come over here manually, and you just have to find what alarm is the one you want to move. Like let's say this is to switch the rail for the storage line number 6. So if we have any problem there, you just click in there and the switch will manually change to the back and go to the other rail. And here is the report where you can see, let's say that's the lift from the source side. You can see the total weight and sling that you sent already for that day, and you have more options here. And for gas, each operator, they have the different admin, so you can go in and operate the Etech system. So here, let me go back here. So let me show you something. So those blue color is, like I said, for each bag. Represent each bag. The different numbers is the different code for the product, and the number you see under is the weight for each bag. The color that you see when you see the green light here is everything good. Each sling can go inside the rail and they can go out to the toner. If you see like that color right there, that means that the bag can come inside the rail, so they cannot go out. When you see that pink color, the bag, they can go out, so no bag can go inside that rail. When you see that orange one, it means that that sling is still not, it still didn't went to the sensor. So the computer is waiting to that bag go to where it's supposed to go and hit the sensor, and then we'll come out with a green light, and then can go to the next rail. That thing go like this. Let's say right now, if I click in there, you will have the in. Like I say, in. You see it's green. I'm gonna press in. Now it's kind of pink. So no bag is gonna come inside that rail, but we can still use those bags to come out. So we press out. You see it change the color. So no bag is allowed to go out, or any bag can go inside that rail. So now we press out and in at the same time. It will come out red. So no bag is allowed to come in that rail. No bag is allowed to go out. So we put it back. When you want to call a bag to send it to any rail, you just click on the bag, and it's going to show you the name of the bag. If you want to change it, if you got some error and you want to change it, you just click there and you put the right product. But if you want to send it to some different rail, you just press destination, and we'll show you all the rails where you want to send it, and then you just press save. And you have history here. So if I press history, it's going to show you where that bag come from. It comes from the transfer number 1, the time and the day, and we'll continue step by step where that bag came from.